Okay, I forgot to tell you that I put maybe about a cup of sugar in my sauce. I always put sugar in my spaghetti sauce, and I've also added my bell pepper. I think I cut up two bell peppers, one onion, and I'm going to let this simmer down, let my vegetables cook down. You know, my sister uh, had a bag of onions and bell pepper already cut up that she bought from the freezer section. I haven't been able to find it because ever since the COVID-19, I really am not comfortable in going in the stores. I wear my mask and my gloves, and I really rush in the store and rush right back out because I don't want to be in there long. So if I can't find something, I just go. But anyway, I'm going to let this cook down some, and then I'm going to move to the next part and putting my meat and cheese sauce and lasagna noodles in the crock pot. And I also went ahead and I have, as I told you before, my cottage cheese, ricotta cheese. I've already put my some mozzarella in here, some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of cheddar, pepper, parsley flakes, and mixed it all up, and 2 eggs. So this really should be really good.